Okay, good morning all of you. As we had seen in our previous pages, we are discussing the examples of CSA of cylinder. Now here the question number 4 is given. What is given? We had seen the roller. Okay, so this is the diagram of roller whose diameter is 84 centimeter. This is the diameter of roller and the length is 120 centimeter. Okay, this is a single roller which is rolling in our playground, which is rolling 500 times, okay, in the entire ground. We need to find out the area. We need to find out the area of this entire ground. Okay, if we will find out the area of a single roller, that is CSA of the roller, and multiply that by 500, then we will get the area of entire playground. But one thing which we need to improve is here our data is in centimeter and we need to get our answer in meter square. So first of all, the CSA of roller, we have the formula 2 pi RH. The value of pi is 22 by 7, radius is 42. As the diameter is given 84, so the value of R is equal to d divided by 2, and that is equal to 84 by 2. So the value of R will be 40. Substituting that value here, we will get 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by 42 multiplied by 120. Simplifying this, 7 get cancelled by 42, 7 ones are 7, 6 are. So the multiplication of 44 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 120, that is equal to, the multiplication of 44 into 6 is 264 multiplied by 120, that is equal to 31680 centimeter square. This is the area of a single roller. This is the CSA of a roller. As the roller is rolling 500 times in the entire ground, so multiplying the area of this by 500, we will get the value of the entire playground. So we can say that, let us consider area of entire playground, that is equal to CSA of roller multiplied by 500. So the value of CSA is 31680 multiplied by 500. Multiplying this, we will get the answer 1548440 centimeters square. So as we knew 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters, so 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. If we need to get this answer in meter square, we have to divide 154841234 by 10,000. Now whatever the answer is, that is in meter square. So here 0, 0, 0, 0. All the zeros get cancelled and the answer will be 15484 meter square. This is the area of entire playground which we need to find out. This is the area of entire playground which we need to find out. Okay, I had put 4 more here. Multiplication of 31680 by 500 is 158440. So we can say that the area of entire playground is 1584. 1584. Now we are going to solve the next example. What is given? A cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meter in height. Find the cost of painting the CSA of pillar at the rate of 12.5 per meter square. So first of all, we need to find out the CSA of a pillar. Height and diameter is already given. So we will find out the CSA of pillar. Let us consider this is a pillar which we need to paint, and the price is rupee 12.5 per meter square. That is the price for 1 meter square is 12.50. What is given? The diameter of pillar is, what is given? The diameter of pillar is 15 centimeter. This is 50 centimeter. And the height, this is diameter, and the height is 3.5 meter. 3.5 meter. Okay? What we need to do here, both the units are different. First is in centimeter, second one is in meter. So, what will we do? Either convert centimeter into meter or convert meter into centimeter. But the price is per meter square, so we would like to convert the centimeter into meter. So, this can be converted if 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Then how much centimeter we have? 50. So 50 centimeter is equal to how much meter? Take a cross multiplication. This will become 50 divided by 100. 0 cancel. Our answer is 0.5 meter. This is the diameter. This is the diameter. We need to find out the radius. So radius will be 0.5 divided by 2. So the radius is equal to 0.5 divided by 2, and that is equal to 0.25 meter. The radius is 0.25 meter. Substitute the value here. We will get 2 multiplied by 22 by 7 multiplied by 0.25. Instead of that, I can use 1 by 4, and that is equal to 25 by 100 multiplied by height is 3.5. So that can be written as 35 by 10. I have just removed the decimal place and used the 10 value. So here this get cancelled. 7 ones are 7, 5s are. Again 5 ones are 5 twos are. Again 2 ones are 2 11s are. Okay. So this is equal to 1 by 4. Again 2 ones are 2 twos are. So our last answer is 11 divided by 2. So dividing this, we will get 5.5 meter square. 5.5 meter square. This is the area of curved surface area of a circular pillar, cylindrical pillar. This is the area of pillar. So the price to paint pillar equal to price per meter multiplied by area of pillar. This is equal to 12.5 multiplied by 5.5 whole divide. Okay, multiply this. Whatever the answer is, this can be written as 125 multiplied by 55 divided by, this is 100. So multiply 125 by 55 and divide that by 100, you will get the answer. So the multiplication of 125, so the multiplication of 125 into 55 equal to 125 into 55 equal to 6,875. This is equal to 6,875 divided by 100. So we can say that rupees 68.75 is required to paint a cylindrical